Yo, what's going on, SGN family? I'm Scholar Gamer Nerd. Today's gem comes from one of my personal favorite self-development books, The Four Agreements, and it goes a little something like this. True justice is paying for each mistake once. True injustice is paying for each mistake more than once. So what does that mean? That means that, for instance, say you get into some type of disagreement or argument with your mom, dad, brother, sister, friend, etc. And you guys either talk about it, right? Or you both non-verbally choose to let it go and you kind of let the problem phase out. And that's that. What happens is that some people choose to hold on to the argument. They choose to hold on to the toxic energy that was exchanged, right? To the negative feelings. So they keep reliving and replaying that negativity in their minds. So despite the fact that you guys already paid for that mistake, right, once, right, by talking it out, by saying it's cool, we let it go, or by just non-verbally choosing to let it go, right? But one person holds on to it, that means that they're paying, right? The person who delivered the mistake is paying for it multiple times. So let me give you a more concrete example. Say you got into a disagreement with your cousin last year, right? And then there's a family gathering, you guys get together, and your cousin let it go, right? They charged you once for this mistake, justice, but you didn't let it go. So you're avoiding them, or you're being toxic toward them. You're like, I hate this person's mean, this person's evil, even though you already charged them for that mistake last year. See, now you're charging them again, right? They're paying for the mistake again. And then you see them at another family event and again, and then you start doing things to sort of dislike or possibly even hate this person, when in fact, they only hurt you once, right? That's called injustice. So let me give you a little caveat here, and that's that this advice is not for like the criminal justice system, all right? Because I know the word justice is very packed and has a lot of implications and various interpretations. So I'm talking specifically in regards to interpersonal relationships, right? Because that's really the objective of this movement, is to give you gems to help you improve your life personally and professionally, okay? In any case, SGN family, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to be a scholar first, gamer second, and a nerd always. I'll see you in the next gem.